Hi guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at 3 top features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. You can experiment with different angles with the Flex Cam. You'll be able to share power from it and charge other devices with its wireless power sharing capabilities, and you'll be able to use the versatile cover screen even when it's clamped shut. Now I'm going to get myself over to the lab so I can show you this product in more detail. Now, when taking a full profile selfie on a standard smartphone, it can be a bit of a challenge to get everything in, unless you've got a tripod, but not many people are going to be carrying around a tripod. However, this is where the Flex Cam works an absolute treat, because you're able to place it down on pretty much any surface, and then where the camera is on the top screen, you can tilt it higher or lower to get that perfect angle. So this is going to be great for those big family photos, you know, the unique pictures you're going to take on holiday and put on your social media. I'm going to take a hands-free full profile selfie by doing this action. And there we go, I've got my sharp selfie there. The folding mechanism is also extremely useful too when it comes to recording video, as you can grip the phone securely and comfortably, just like you would an old school camcorder. So whether you're out with friends or your earbuds are running low, you're in luck, as this smartphone has wireless power share. Now the way this works is that you can charge other devices by placing it on the back of this phone and enabling it in the quick settings. So you can charge this phone with a friend's device, or you can charge your earbuds, headphones or watch, all by just placing it on the back of this smartphone. Another great feature of this smartphone is that you can still use it when it's closed shut like this. You have access to Samsung Pay to buy things. You can also reply to your messages with voice to text, and you can even check your notifications, check the weather and check your calendar, all on this 1.9-inch cover screen. If you want to find out more info on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, then why not visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.